The purpose of this video is to capture a fuel test on the injectors for a 911S 1977 model Porsche 2.7 liter motor. We're having performance problems at about 3100 RPMs. At 3100 RPMs, the motor jumps, jerks, and will not proceed above that in any gear. Engine RPMs below 3100 are smooth, clean, good idle. Nothing real obvious. We anticipate perhaps there are some issues with the injectors. There'll be 3 on the left, 3 on the right. Or perhaps the fuel distributor, which is this guy right here. Somewhere, somehow in this system, we anticipate there are some fuel pressure issues. The car's been sitting for quite some time. We believe it could be gummed up, goobered up, so to speak. So that's the layout. I've got 6 test jars over here. I'll label them. I'll measure the fuel pumped, flowed into those jars, compare them, and I'll also watch for atomization on the various injectors. So as this proceeds, I'll be cutting in and out with video clips. Alright, what we're looking at here is the number 1 cylinder. And I've removed the left bank fuel injectors and the green O-rings that were seated at the intake valve aperture. And backing away slowly, I'll show you the 3 injectors. They're pretty dirty looking, but I'm going to do a fuel flow test. I'm only going to show you the left bank. The right bank I haven't tackled yet. It's going to be a challenge, I'm sure. But I had to disconnect some hoses, get inside there to actually get access to everything. They popped out with little or no effort. They were held in, they were secure, but they didn't resist a whole lot coming out. So that's what it looks like now. The next shot will probably be with some jugs and a fuel flow test. Thanks. Okay, I've got all 6 injectors out, and they're stuck in plastic jugs, as you can see. I've got a fuel pressure gauge on there. It's going to read in bars. The key's on. I'm going to go ahead and ignite the pump, so to speak, by pushing up the diaphragm lever here, and thus energize the various injectors. The flow isn't all that good. I'm not happy with what I'm seeing, so I'm fairly certain they might be plugged up, but I'm going to keep working it. Pressure's up, well over 3 bars. I'm going to bring it up a little higher. You can hear them squealing. The pressure's up about 4.8 bar. I'll back off a little bit. Shut it off now. Okay, the results of the fuel flow are as you see in front of you. I'm going to actually measure those with a fluid measurement in ounces and get an idea of exactly how much each injector flowed. They don't look too bad, too uneven. The spray patterns look good. I saw good atomization. I saw a 4.8 to 5.0 bar pressure the whole time. So we're going to move on with this data.